Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video here. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert your JPG file to your PNG. So let's start the video. First of all, there are many software that can do it, but my preference is you use Canva. It is free and it's really simple to use it. So first of all, go to your browser and here type canva.com and go to their website. This is completely free. You can do it on your PC or mobile. Now here you can see design spotlight, and under that you can see photo editor and click that option here. And after that here you can see upload your image. Just click that option here and just upload anything. I'm gonna take a screenshot from here on my PC and click open, and it will process. And here you can see this is my picture. Now to convert it to PNG, all you have to do is click this download option here, and here you can see the PNG option. If you expand it, you can see JPG PNG, but we're gonna download it as PNG. Just click that option. Now all you have to do is click download here, and as you can see the download is already began, and here is the PNG file option. So in this way you can easily convert any picture to PNG, especially JPG to PNG. So this is the video. I hope this video helps you, and if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.